Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Tricks TV. In this video I'm going to show you my desktop setup during lockdown, as most of people are working from home. So I hope my video will help you to give you some idea of how you can do your desktop setup at home without any furniture. So let's get started. First of all, I have chosen this corner of the room for my desktop setup, as I will put my back will be supported by the wall, and I'll put some cushions for extra support. And because if you work without the back wall support, then your back may slouch, and that can cause back problem. So to avoid that, I'll choose the wall, go with the wall. And here's my desktop. I have my CPU, my monitor, and here's the keyboard and the mouse. So here's the box in which I got my CPU. So I'll put this box and below my monitor. And I have these old Amazon card boxes, so I'll use this for my keyboard and the mouse. So the boxes should be of equal sizes so that the keyboard comes flat. And I have my this steady table kind of thing, and if you want you can use it for extra support, for extra flatness. And I'll place my keyboard here, and I'll put the wire, connect the wire later. And here I have the mouse, and I'll put some notebook here so that the mouse can come at the same level as of the keyboard. 1 second. So I have some old notepads, so I'll place it here. You can adjust accordingly. So now, as you can see, the keyboard and the mouse are at the same level, but the monitor is not at the eye level. So I'll use one more card box, and I'll place the monitor on this card box. And now, as you can see, it is at the same level. And now when I sit, I can easily use my computer. So that's how I have done my desktop setup. And I'll place some extra cushions for the back support. So here I have the cushion and the pillow. If you don't have the cushion, you can use the pillow. And I'll put it behind the wall. And now, as you can see, my desktop do-it-yourself desktop setup is ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments and suggestions, you can write below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, New Tech Tricks TV. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.